Now, let us know the difference between cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment. As we all know, cleanliness is a must in every home and even in food service industry. A clean utensil is the same as a sanitized utensil. They're both germ-free, right? It is important to both clean and sanitize the food contact surfaces. Anything that touches food is food contact surface, like knives, pots, counters, containers, dishes, and even our hands. Here are the steps of cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools in accordance with the prescribed standards. So number 1, step in cleaning. You have to scrape any food debris into a bin before cleaning and sanitizing the tools and utensils. Pre-scrape or remove food particles that remain on or stick in your utensil, especially knife, chopping board, container, and a spoon. Number 2, in cleaning. Fill the sink with warm to hot water and an antibacterial detergent. After pre-scraping, soak your utensils in a sink or large container filled with warm to hot water and antibacterial detergent. Number 3, steps. Use a clean sponge or brush to scrub each item thoroughly. To make sure that you have removed all bits of food and getting into all the little hard-to-reach areas. Use a smaller tip brush and rinse your utensils with clean water afterwards. Number 4, steps in cleaning kitchen tools and utensils. Either leave to air dry or wipe it with a clean dishcloth and store it properly. Now, if you need to thoroughly sanitize kitchen tools and equipment to ensure there is no chance of any bacteria, follow these steps. Number 1, put the tools and utensils in a large pan, immersing them fully in water. Number 2, lid to the pan and carefully bring the water to boil for 5 minutes. Number 3, remove the lid and wait for the water to stop boiling before removing the tools and utensils with tongs. Now, you already knew the difference between cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and utensils, equipment, as well as the kitchen area and surfaces. Now, so please do this activity, read and distinguish. Instructions. Read and distinguish the process described in each situation when it is cleaning or sanitizing. Write only cleaning or sanitizing on your answer sheet. Number 1, situation. Lorraine just finished washing their dinner plates. She was about to place on the dish rack when she remembered an episode from reality show about household cleaning. So, she carefully placed the plates on a pan, filled it with clean water, put the lid on it, and let it boil for 5 minutes. Then, Lorraine slowly removed the plates from the pan using tongs. Number 2 situation. Darren is a grade 10 cookery student. Part of their individual performance task is to do manual dishwashing. So he decided to practice it at home to make sure that he will not miss any step during the actual performance. The first scraped off the remaining food particles on the plate and placed the item on a basin filled with warm soapy water. Then, he scrubbed the plate using a clean sponge and rinsed it with clean water. Finally, he air dried it on the dish rack.